Okay, so before na start sa po ang lesson proper, I have an activity. So this activity is called Pick a Style. So, kung sa ang inyong gustong sulubot, so naikuha ko set picture dili, then mamili lang sa inyong gustong na style, like asa mo was preferred na sulubot. So, mo siya. So, the first kani siya, that is casual attire. Well, this is extravaganza or the formal attire. So, asa mo mas ganahan, like, bisag tanan kuan, parang, no need to imagine na parang gamiton na ninyo everyday. Like, asa mo nindutan yun? Casual, wow. Grabe. Ako ganahan ko sa extravaganza. Kaya bang ano, dramatic mo din kayo kung tao. Okay kung ganahan kayo kung over the top. So, kamo kay ganahan mo, casual. So, based on the activity, so have you ever noticed how the clothes we choose say something about us? Not just our style, but also our identity, values, and even our mood. So, have you ever noticed? Okay, so, usa sa dakong difference is the clothes or the preference clothes sa kanang mga tao. For example, lahi of religion, like Mormons and the Catholic. So, Catholic, they are more free to choose their clothes. Well, ang mga Mormons, more on long pants or long na mga sleeves niya. Sayan, marami kayo na sila. Same sa Muslim, which is covered kaayo sila, which part sa ilahang kanang beliefs and values na dili nakabasol ang nila. So next is, before ito makuhaan, sa may yung di-discuss ganina? Material self. So that is, kami siya na discussion, this is the continuation of the discussion sa topic. So before that, natay another activity. So unsay pangalan sa activity? Fit check on the Napalm era. Kinsay ni tanong golden naman, K-pop Demon Hunters. Okay. So mga kuan mo, mga Ruby fanatics. Golden. Oh, wow. Sige, so naako diri instruction. So imagine you are to attend Paris Fashion Week. Wow, attend sila Paris Fashion Week. So you must choose a style that suit your taste in fashion and go to the corner. Ayan na ni go to the corner. Ano lang. Discuss. Ayan na. Pamili na din yung style na asa mo gusto. Para mo open, usaraha kabuong na style yung dadon sa Paris Fashion Week. Like, mupasok mo dito po nuhay, unsa na style yung sulubon. So, naatay streetwear, naatay feminine and soft boy, na old money, na Y2K na ay modern or the bodies. Sige, kinsay nipili sa streetwear. Katong mga dancerist. Kaya mostly sa ako na ilang naganahan sa loob ng streetwear kay dancerist, singerist. Sige, kinsay nipili sa feminine style. Soft o no high. Sige, nag-iisa siya. Kasi panganday? Andrea, pangan? Crystal, wow, nice yung pangan. Uy, unique, very unique, just like you. Kinsay nipili sa old money? Like mga anak, kasi ganahag anak. Kinaghanang nipili sa old money. How about ang modern or mga bodies? Kaganahan ang mga bodies na clothes. Wala. Oh, it's okay. Wala ako kung ako kapilion, ari kasmaan. It's okay. Ganahan ko kanang comfortable ko. So, based on the activity, natin mga pangutana. So, why you prefer that style? Kinsa din ito ba pupuan? Sa ito yung mga feminine? Nan ganahan ka sa feminine? Mga yung style yun yan, andan. How about ang katong ipili sa old money? Alam, wala na yung tingin mo, okay, magkakali. Oh, kita ako, gisipin isas ka mo, ako dito gapit na inipili atong old money. Okay, so how those kanang katong mga clothes na yung pipili make you feel? Sige mo, mabuol ko, kaya walay mauwaw. Dito, arita sa mayo. B, ikaw. Kasi yung pipili ako na style. Unsa may kung sulog ka sa money, unsa mo feel? Confidently beautiful with a heart. So what those clothes say about you? Unsay ways sa clothes na to para isulti kung unsa ka klase sa tao. So that will be our topic for today. So my part will be all about material self, clothes. So clothes was part of the material self. So William James explained that the material self includes everything a person considers as a part of who they are. This includes the body, the possession, and even the clothing. So what about activity, mamili po sa inyong preference style. So when we choose clothes, we just don't pick random items. We chose them to match our comfort, taste, and personality. So this means that clothing becomes the extension of our identity. Yes, very good. It is our extension of our identity. Usa sa makita sa laing tao na mag-describe sa pagkagalingon. So clothes as investment of meaning. So according to Lotz said that when we use or wear an object, often we invest meaning to it. So meaning, ang usap ko butang na pirmi mo sulubon, mahimo na din siya ka ng something na naay ka ng sentimental value. Like for example, sa akong part, ihatagan kong regalo sa akong classmates sa una during Christmas party. So una nag-high school ko. So hantod karon na katon akong nag-BFK. Ihatag man siya sa akong kanang medyo kuan kay you know. Oh, so mo to siya, na siya sentimental value. Ano ang pangutanan nga So, this is why certain clothes feel special to us. So these items become part of ourselves because of emotional meaning attached to them. So, number one, for example, favorite t-shirt, a gift from someone special person or something that is bought by you. Like, pinakauna ni Muslim ko, ipalitag, malay siya mo sa Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel. So, of course, habuan kaya na mo. So, ma-feel din mo ang iyahang sentimental value, ma-attach din ka na niya. Next is your school uniform. Kinsa pa may naghipos biris ilang elementary school uniform. O, diba? So, naghatid ng memories niya i-hold ang school uniform. Like, katong akong unang crush, yung nakakita na akong una dagma, ano ba? Example, ranang class, di na ako So, next is clothes wore on special occasions. Like, katong mga nagdudu, katong nag-ball gown, katong ilahang first attend graduation, katong pag-birthday, or anniversary, gani, pwede di ay, kagihatagan ng regalo sa imong bebe. O, sentimental na kayo para sa inyo ha. Okay, no, no. So next we have clothing as self-expression. In your way to express yourself. So, clothing is not only the covering of the body, it is a form of self-expression that helps us silently communicate who we are without needing words. So, for example, bright colors may show energy and confidence. Neutral colors may show calmness and simplicity, while trendy outfits may show creativity or fashion interest. Like, kita na mo sa mga estudyante sa UP. So, naay mas katong namin mga nakita na estudyante sa UP na grabe ka, fashionista, like, ilahang ka ng stay sa fashion is very, very unique. Naimag ka ng sayal na napay ilaw na kanang pants. So, grabe kayo sila kayo unique dito. Yeah, mo na ilahang ka ng everyday everyday uniform na hilahi. So, usa na siya sa way to express yourself. Next is clothes influence behaviors and attitudes mo. Doon mo ba, kung ano sa'yo na suluhoy mo, na makita sa lahat ng for example, musulog ka dark, black, all black outfits. Gikan sa kanang t-shirt hantod sa sapatos niya. Labi kay kang kanang pakak kay kang tuan ba? Sa mga ani, Latino makeup. Yeah. Unang impression dayon sa ubang tao mo, kani sila grabe ang confidence. Okay, the way she carries herself, the way he carries herself, usa na siya sa example na ang clothes can affect the behavior or the attitudes of a person. So research and daily experience show that clothes we wear affect the way we think, feel, and behave. For example, magsulot ka body outfit. Of course, ma-feel good mo aura mo like, yes, I'm a body. Like, pagsulot ka extravaganza outfit, I'm the star of the show. Ma-feel ganun mo ha? Kuan aura kay labi ba pasanina. So this means clothing affects not only how others see us, but also how we see ourselves. For example, wearing a uniform helps students focus because it reminds them of discipline and responsibility. You know what? How about very comfortable clothes help us move confidently? Sa katong mga manayaw, naman yung mga panduri that series na nilabot pag-adult week. Labi ko yung kayo silang outfit kay. Grabe ka, machines na katong jersey na slanting-slanting. Bitaw, kinakuha na nila niya. Wearing formal attire can make us feel mature and professional. Katong pang old money style. Of course, ma-feel ninyo rich tita vibes. Pwede ko ako lang. So, last is clothes as part of the clothes are more than just a fabric. Palihog po sa class.
Clothes are more than just fabric. They shape how we express ourselves, how others perceive us, and even how we behave. Clothing is a powerful part of our material self because it reflects the person we choose to become every day.
And I thank you. So, why not check? So, you never find another like me. So, directions construct. Sige, kinsa may ganahan mo ko anahin, kanang fill in the blanks. Inyo lang introduce inyong kabalungan, pero before mo ka lang introduce inyong kabalungan, so ninyo, well, not check. Oh, sorry, may pagaw. Okay ra? Kinsa may ganahan mo buhat, ganahan ko anong who participated at tingkuan ba yan graded. Skin sa si Ash.
May anak ramang bukig.
Sige ko na to suwayan, Ash. My name is Karara niya. I am ilang edad and I prefer this time describing the cause. Sige na kay ito. Bakit yung bihapon?
Pwede at mata tayo buot.
Asa Wema?
Wemo.
Wema check.
Dili ra para lang. Sige. Sa tubang
So,
daw isa.
My name is Asian.
Ash, bili daw ka na. Confidence is the beauty.
So, my name is Asian Sambrales. I am 18 years old and my preferred style is old money, and this style describes me because I'm feeling ka ng rich tita vibe.
Wow, rich tita vibes. Pwede ka mahimong ninang. So, class, nanadek ka. So, what have we learned today about the clothes as part of material self? Sige, unsa to ang clothes kani mag-describe sa to ang kawalingon without needing the words. Then, how do your clothing choices describe or affect your identity? Of course, kung unsay mo sulugon, mo'y makita sa tao, kundi mo ma-feel. So, let's have an exam. So, get one sheet, one half sheet of paper, then answer the following questions. Sige. I'll give you 2 minutes to answer, ha? Sige. Okay, are you done? Yes. Okay, very good. So, pass the papers up front hand. Palantawan sa kanang naa sa shulid ninyo. Okay, so... So, ako lang sa i-play ka dyan eh. Pwede siya Hindi siya ma-play class. So, Sandra din akong PPT sa inyong GC. So, that will be all from my part. And always remember to be yourself. So, goodbye everyone.
Goodbye.